How to apply for jobs using LinkedIn Easy Apply. First of all, log into your account and click on the Jobs tab at the top of the page. In the search bar, enter the job title, keyword or company name you are interested in, and choose your preferred location to find relevant job openings. Next, use the Easy Apply filter to narrow down the results. This filter shows only the jobs that allow quick applications directly through LinkedIn without needing to visit external websites. Browse the job listings and click on a job to view details such as responsibilities, requirements, and company information. Once you find the job you are interested in, click the Easy Apply button. A pop-up form will appear. Review your contact information, upload or select your resume, and answer any required questions. Some jobs may ask for additional details like experience, skills, or a short cover letter. Make sure all information is accurate and professional. Before submitting, double-check everything to avoid mistakes. If everything looks good, click Submit Application. You can also save the job or follow the company to stay updated on future opportunities. After applying, go to the My Jobs section to track your applications and see their status. Now you know how to apply for jobs using LinkedIn Easy Apply quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.